everyone. Good. How's everyone doing? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever part of the world you're watching. We are live. Thank you, Sis Anna, for having us today to share our humble beginning in our online business. My name is Liselle, and this is my husband.
Skeptical husband Terry, or formerly skeptical husband.
And guys, I am originally from the Philippines and now living in the USA. Before coming here, I worked in Abu Dhabi for 15 years as a beautician. 15 years as a beautician to support my family back home because I am a breadwinner. But moving to the USA, guys, changed everything. People think if you are married to a foreigner or to American, you are okay na. But the truth is, hindi yun totoo. Because my husband, he is not rich, so I have to help him to pay our bills. Everything here now is expensive, but for me to work as a beautician, everything needs a license here, so I ended up a housekeeper in a nursing home. I'm not doing what I did just to help my husband and my family back home and also support our church ministry.